Cybertruck tonneau cover isn't waterproof. Although the tonneau cover protects contents from the majority of water during rain, snow, etc., it does not make the cargo bed waterproof. Therefore, do not store items that can be damaged by water under the tonneau cover. When subjected to high-pressure water like from a hose, some water can seep into the bed. From what we have seen, this varies greatly from truck to truck. Some say their Cybertruck is virtually watertight and others that there leaks like a sieve. It's still a truck bed, so only put what may get a little wet dirty in there. It's not dirt or waterproof at all. Many folks are coming from SUVs and are making the mistake of thinking the vault is the equivalent of the back of an SUV, and it is not. Tesla knows that owners want the bed to be waterproof and they are working on it.